In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI automation as a producer, save time, and make more music. We're going to streamline the way you create from your first idea to your final release while keeping your creative decisions front and center. Let's start with melodies and chords. Use tools like ChatGPT for theory ideas, Scalar 2, Captain plugins, AI MIDI generators, or Orb Producer Suite to spark progressions fast. Generate a few chord options, export the one you like as MIDI, and drag it into your DAW. From there, add your bounce and swing, try different voicings or inversions, and make sound selections that match your style. AI gives you a head start. Your tweaks make it yours. This alone can save 20 to 40 minutes per beat. Next, let AI help with drum patterns. XO by XLN. Audio Atlas 2, AI drum generators, or ChatGPT can suggest drill or trap rhythms in seconds. Use the MIDI suggestions as a framework, then humanize velocity and swing so it grooves. Replace placeholder sounds with your own kit to lock in your signature tone. Think of it like getting the skeleton instantly, then you add the character. For mixing assistance, lean on Isotope Ozone, Neutron, Gullfoss, or BandLab. Mastering to build a reliable starting point. Let the AI set an initial balance, then refine with manual EQ moves, tighten or soften transients, and dial in stereo width to taste. It's essentially auto-correction for your mix, but always A-B against the original, and trust your ears for the final creative touches. Branding matters too. Use Midjourney, Canva AI, Leonardo AI, or DALL-E to create beat covers, LoopKit artwork, YouTube thumbnails, and even producer logos. Batch create around 10 designs in one session to stay consistent. Keep a simple color palette and aspect ratio so your visuals look unified across platforms. When building loop kits, generate MIDI ideas with AI, render them as polished wave loops, process them through your favorite FX chains, and batch rename files for clarity. Include BPM and key in the file name, and use AI to write a clean product description. You can complete a kit in a day instead of a week. For content marketing, let AI write captions, suggest hashtags, generate beat titles, script YouTube videos, and draft email promos. Batch everything a week or two ahead so you can focus on music. Finally, set up a smart workflow. AI generates the bass at the idea stage, you customize in production, AI assists in the mix, AI designs your branding, and AI writes your marketing. You stay creative, AI handles the repetitive tasks.